briefly, then rebuild. The war is already over, the cross has spoken clear. No condemnation remains, no voice of fear.